I'm waiting also for my tita to come by with me because she will be going with me to therapy because she has also some backaches. So I'll be having my fourth and last session. So hopefully I'll be fine. See you later. Video ko. Ito yung office nila. Yan si John nag-iintay. Close na sila eh. Ito yung room nila. Ilagaan nga namin yung director. So this is nice. Nice yung facility nila. This is my room. So yung mga rooms nila. My fourth session already, so it will be last already. Hopefully I'll be fine now. Later, there's my acupuncture, so hopefully maging effective ulit yun para wala na talaga totally yung pain. Finished the last session of my neck therapy, so okay, I'm fine now. Punta sa taas, and then view dito. We're on the second floor. I'm waiting for my tita there. Therapy pa siya, so antay muna tayo. See you later.